These 6 comments will make any woman want to be with you right now. Did you know that one sentence can completely change how a woman sees you? Today, I'll show you how to use a simple phrase to not only get women's attention, but also give them the confidence they really want in a man. These phrases aren't magic, but I promise that if you use them right, they will change how women see you and how you connect with them. Stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to show you how to use these 6 phrases to start seeing results right away. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You're supporting my work and helping the computer find this content useful and share it with more people when needed. Could I count on your likes? Let's get right to it. Phrase 1. The perfume you're wearing is addictive. It smells great. There's something extra special about this praise that not many men notice or say. When you express this praise, it will surprise her and leave her wondering how you manage to notice the small details that other men often overlook. Smell has a powerful connection to memory and emotion, which makes this phrase effective. When you tell her that her scent is addicting, you're not just saying that it smells good. You're telling her that her presence somehow draws you in. It's a subtle compliment with a sensual undertone that makes it even more interesting. Basically, you're telling her she has something that stays with you, something unforgettable. Every woman loves to hear that. Try this one and see how she reacts. I guarantee it will surprise you. Your phrase, "You have a smile that brightens anyone's day," is pure gold. It's not just sweet. It has a highly positive effect. It makes you stand out because it's not superficial. It's a deeper expression. It works so well because it focuses on something natural and genuine. Her smile. It's not just about how she looks. It's about what it does. What's outstanding about this is that it's simple, real, and pressure-free. Not only are you highlighting her appearance, but you're also highlighting the positive influence she has on those around her. Knowing her positive impact is unavoidable. Before we go any further, have you ever thought about sending just one text that could make a woman feel better? Want you immediately picture a message that is so strong that it takes over her mind and makes her think about you all the time, even if she's with someone else or just sees you as a friend. These secret phrases ignite an obsession that makes her excited and eager to see you, but exercise caution. Don't use them if you don't want her to fall deeply in love with you. Click the first link below to download these magnetic messages and watch her count down the minutes until your next date. These words will really hit home with her because they let her know that you see her as she is, without any filters. This gives her the impression that she doesn't need to hide from you, allowing her to be authentic, a feeling that many people yearn for, acceptance and freedom from judgment. By valuing her genuine nature, you're giving her the freedom to be herself without any shame. This type of compliment resonates deeply with her identity, fostering a sense of specialness and safety. It's a surefire way to make a connection that goes beyond superficial attraction. This phrase is very powerful because it goes deeper and speaks directly to her mind by saying that her point of view interests you. You're not just saying positive things about her ideas. You're admiring how she thinks about the world and how it makes you question your own beliefs. This shows that you're interested in her intelligence and unique perspective on life, which is something that not many people say. Furthermore, expressing that her opinions provoke thought demonstrates your genuine attention to and appreciation for her viewpoints. It's not just about physical attraction. It's about connecting on a deeper, more important level. You show a woman you respect her actions and character by saying this. It's as if you're expressing to her, "I can see you care about what you do, and I appreciate the work you put into it." What an inspiring message. This is significant because everyone desires recognition and appreciation for their hard work. By noticing her determination, you show that you care about what's important to her, not just the surface stuff, and that you value her commitment. This creates a deeper and more genuine connection. "I've noticed how you make others feel good" is a compliment she will appreciate. When you tell her you've noticed how she makes others feel good, you're recognizing the effect she has on them. This makes her feel valued and special, because everyone loves knowing that their presence has a positive effect. This phrase brings out a quality in her that others might miss. By noticing such a personal detail, you're showing that you're in tune with her essence and what makes her truly unique. Here are 6 comments that will really get a woman's attention. I want you to give them a try and let me know how they worked for you in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If you are dedicated to improving yourself and becoming the best version of yourself, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Your support not only inspires me to make more useful videos, but it also helps other people. Find it, write what you think in the space below, and remember to be upbeat until next time.